Welcome to Toolsmet. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of Amazon's most popular wood lathe machines. Whether you're a beginner, a hobby woodturner, or a professional craftsman, this review will give you a clear idea of how well this machine performs and whether it's worth adding to your workshop. Let's start with the overall purpose of this wood lathe. This machine is designed for small to medium turning projects, such as spindles, bowls, furniture legs, decorative pieces, pins, and a variety of DIY woodworking tasks. The moment you look at it, the heavy-duty cast iron body stands out, and that tells you one thing: stability. Once you set it up and start working, the machine stays firm with very low vibration, which is essential for clean and precise finishing. Now let's move on to the build quality. The machine's bed is perfectly machined, which allows the tool rest and the tailstock to slide smoothly along the rail. The tailstock alignment is accurate, meaning your workpiece stays centered even during longer turning jobs. Alignment is absolutely crucial for continuous turning, and this model handles that impressively well. Next comes motor performance. This wood lathe is equipped with a reliable induction motor that provides consistent torque throughout the operation. With the variable speed control knob, you can easily adjust the RPM. Lower speeds are great for rough shaping, while higher speeds allow for smooth detailing. In softwood, you'll get the best performance around 1200 to 1800 RPM. And in hardwood, increasing the speed above 2000 RPM ensures clean cutting. The speed transition is smooth, without sudden jumps, giving you better control and confidence while working. When it comes to usability, this machine is very beginner-friendly. The tool rest is wide, stable, and easy to adjust. The tailstock locks firmly, keeping your workpiece secure. During long spindle turning, the stability remains consistent, and the low vibration helps maintain clean, controlled cutting lines. Even if you're new to wood turning, you'll find this lathe easy to learn and comfortable to operate. Now let's talk about the performance test. We tried this machine on soft pine, teak, and hardwood. On softwood, the cutting was smooth and required very little effort. On hardwood, the motor maintained steady torque and didn't struggle. During long spindle turning, there was no noticeable wobble. The final finish was clean and sharp, especially on decorative designs like beads, grooves, and small details. Even in bowl turning, the machine stayed stable, though very large bowls are not ideal for this size of lathe. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: strong cast iron construction, stable performance, adjustable speed control, low vibration, clean finishing, and excellent value for the Amazon price range. It's suitable for beginners and experienced users alike.